Hello, hello. Thank you, Accounting and Tax Peeps. My name is Dr.Reyna, and I am here today to bring to you some advices and some tools that I want to share with you during this Christmas season. So thank you so much for being here, first and foremost. There's a lot of things that we sign up for during the year. During the year, we signed up to so many things. So my first advice to you is to declutter your direct debits and subscriptions. In other words, everything that is being auto charged into your account, take a look at it. And if you have not needed that service, that magazine in the past 6 months, my advice to you is to cancel it, is to cancel that subscription. We are sometimes enrolled in auto pay for many other reasons. Oh, enroll in auto pay for legal services. If you have not used it, and if you have an attorney, cancel that auto service. Review is, I'm not saying cancel everything that is an auto pay for you, but go and pay attention to what's being charged every month. And you will be surprised on how fast that adds up. My second advice to you is, are you making full use of your employee benefits? As an employee, your employer pays thousands of dollars for your employee benefits. Set some time to review and ask questions to fully utilize your benefits. You have sometimes wellness benefits included that offer cash back to you. Your dental benefits, if you don't use your dental benefits by December 31st, there's a big chance that you will lose those benefits. Very few plans offer the rollover to the following year. Maybe your glasses, maybe you need to have a part of your mouth worked and then the other part on the next year in your mouth with your dental services. Take some time, go to your HR department, go to your payroll department, and ask all the pertinent questions related to your employee benefits. They are right there for you. They understand the benefits and they know exactly what it is. Take some time and review your benefits. That's my gift to you of extra dollars right there. One very important piece that we constantly miss and we get rolled into the auto renewal is check your insurance contracts. Check your auto insurance, check your fire insurance, your home insurance, all of the insurance that you have for either for your house or for your business. Find them, find out when are they due for renewal, and set up a reminder in your calendar for up to 3 weeks. 3 weeks should be enough time for you to go over your insurance policy and review and make sure that that's still the coverage that you need. Never settle for auto renewal. My next piece of advice for you, are you meeting your saving goals? In the beginning of the year, January is coming, we all set up resolutions. I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to travel the world, I'm going to find the love of my life, I am going to save money. All of those sound really good at the time when we are in this high of excitement and setting up new goals. Well, we are in December. Are you meeting all your saving goals? If not, there's still time. Split your earnings into pots. Reaching small goals will give you momentum. If you start to set up 10% of your check and you start saving those 10% and you start to live without those 10% in the beginning of the year, now by December, you have achieved that 10% and you can set up a higher percentage this coming year. So that's my advice to you. Set up small goals that would help you achieve those goals little by little. My next advice, review your life policy insurance. And why did I set up life policy insurance on the side? It's because we buy life insurance, not because it's mandated by the state, not because we have the excess money, but we buy life insurance because we care for our loved ones, because we want to make sure that they are well taken care of even after we are gone, after we are depart from this world. So you have life insurance policy because you care. So my advice to you is to open up your life insurance policy. If you don't understand it, reach out to me. I will be more than happy to explain it and to go over it with you. If you don't have a life insurance policy and you want one, reach out to me. I will help you get one at an affordable price that will give you a peace of mind. So it's very important that you open up that policy if you already have one and make sure that it still meets the needs that you have. If you bought a policy when your children were small and now your children are older, you might be overpaying on that policy because your needs are different. Reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you. And even if you don't reach out to me, check out your insurance policy, call your broker, make sure that you at least take a look at it. My next piece of advice, did you know that the amount of time you have been on the electoral register affects your credit score? Let me tell you again. Did you know that the amount of time that you have been registered to vote affects your credit score? I guess you didn't know, right? But it does. One of the components of your credit score, it's the amount of time that you have been registered to vote. So if you want to give the gift of good financial future for your children and they're about to turn 18 or turning 18, make sure you enroll them in the electoral. Make sure you sign that form that says registered to vote. You will be doing your kids a service. And if you yourself have not registered to vote, then register. That's a huge component that will help your credit score. Okay, one more piece of advice is review your lines of credit. This is the time that we are up and about shopping. We're shopping for grandma, we're shopping for grandpa, we're shopping for the teachers, for the firefighters. We're just like passing the card left and right. Well, this is the time to get all of our credit cards out and see which credit cards have the highest interest rate that we can pay off. How can we reconcile? And if you need any help analyzing all of that information, reach out to me. Again, I am always here available to help you. But even if you don't call me, if you don't call anybody, just get them out and see how much you're paying, how much you owe, and which ones you can reconcile. Some of them offer payoff discounts. So take a look at that and see if that helps. Now, the question of the year is, where did all the money went? Where is all the money? What happened to all the money in 2020? Did we spend all the money in toilet paper? What happened? That is the question. And so how are we going to find out what happened to all the money? It's by having a budget. In the beginning of the last year, I told you, make a budget, review your budget. In the middle of the year, I told you, review your budget. Every month, I tell you, check out your budget. So, but it's never too late. If you still are wondering what happened to all the money, did we buy all the money? What happened? What happened to all the money? This is the perfect timing. In my website, you will find a simple one-page budget that would help you outline all of your expenses, all your revenue, all the money that you earn, all the money that you spend, and you will find out where all the money goes. Okay. And if you need any help, reach out to me. Again, I'm always happy to help you keep the most of your money. Here is something really good. Charitable contributions. This is the time and this is the season when we are feeling good, when we're feeling that we want to help the less fortunate. We want to give some toys to kids that maybe their parents are not affording the toys. We want to give out meals. For Thanksgiving, we donated money for families in need. All of those charitable contributions do not go unrewarded. And yes, God sees all your good deeds and blesses you for that. But also the IRS makes a lot of the charitable contributions tax deductible. So a lot of the donations can save you thousands of dollars. And all the donations that you make prior to December 31st can be tax deductible. So reach out to me if you don't know which organization you need to donate or where do you put in that you donated this money and it's tax deductible to your business, it's tax deductible to if you're a 1099 employee, if you have a business, if you're a solopreneur, an entrepreneur, Let me know how, and I can help you with that. So if you are looking for other ways to save money, always feel free to check out my book, 52 Ways to Save. 52 Ways to Save Money. In this particular season, I called it 52 Ways to Save Money During a Pandemic, and that's free. You follow the link on the bottom, and the book is yours. And this is not a book that will tell you just 52 ways and this is all. No, this is just the beginning. 52 Ways to Save is just a book that will ignite your imagination, and you will start to find out other ways to save. And I am always looking forward for feedback. If you want to send me your feedback, send me like, hey, I found 10 more ways where we can save money. I found the 53 way to save money. I found out that by doing 1 and 2 of the ways that you mentioned, I saved an enormous amount of money. And that's what I want to hear. Make sure you go to Amazon, like it, give me 5 stars, and give me a comment. And you will get all of the other 52 way books for free as well. Okay, more benefits for you if you are a business owner, if you are a solopreneur or an entrepreneur, or if you are self-employed. Employee bonuses are and can save you thousands in taxes. You know that employee that is always on time, that employee that when you have a problem, you call and you say, hey, can you help me with this? And they're always willing to help you. And you wish you can give them a bonus. Well, you can give them a bonus. Don't be a Scrooge. And the bonus that you give to this employee can be beneficial to you, and it can save you thousands of dollars in taxes. Who would you rather pay, the IRS or your star employee, right? So another benefit for my business owners right here and for my entrepreneurs, employee Christmas party. What better way to show your appreciation than to throw a Christmas party to your employees? You can save thousands of dollars in taxes as well, because that's a benefit that you're giving to your employees. You are giving a Christmas party to show your appreciation, and all of the expenses to that can be beneficial and can be tax deductible. You just have to make sure that you spend it a certain way. Let me know. This is not the end. There are multiple more ideas. And if you want a special assessment, if you want an assessment of your business and how you can save money, especially in this last weeks of the year, let me know. I am here to help you. Check out my website, Dr.Reyna.com, and there is the link to go to my accounting and tax website. You can also email me or call me. I am always available to help you, and I hope that you make the best of it in this little bit of time that we have left for the year. It's always my pleasure to serve you, and I hope that you utilize your money well and that you spend it in the right sides, with the right people. I'm always here to help you. Thank you so much for joining me, Accounting and Tax.